the 1970 S red Lincoln penny. Some wealthy guy paid over $17,000 for this relatively modern cent. So why this cent is highly sought after, you may ask? This is because it comes with doubling on letterings, liberty, and the lettering "In God We Trust" on a verse. It is not mechanical doubling, but die doubling. Die doubling is a duplication of design elements on a working die, created due to misalignment of die or hop during humming process. This highly elusive specimen was graded as MS65 red by PCGS, and it ended up selling for $17,600 with buyer's fee at Great Collections auction. Moving on to this 1922 No D cent with strong reverse. The 1922 No D is an important key date to the series. Only the Denver Mint produced the cents this year. During production, several dies became clogged with dirt, grease, and so on, rendering the worst details mushy and obliterating the mint mark D. On this particular die pairing, the reverse die was not affected by the field die and has bold, strong details. Most examples of this issue have to be graded by the reverse primarily, as the details of a verse are always weak. The present example is wonderful slider, just the softest trace of friction keeps it out of mint state holder. It was sold for $8,225 at Legend Rare Coin auctions. Moving on to this 1959 Lincoln cent in PR68 deep cameo condition. The 1959 Lincoln cent PR68 deep cameo is a highly desirable coin among collectors due to its rarity and pristine condition. The PR designation in grade stands for proof, while 68 signifies the coin's exceptional condition on a scale from 1 to 70. The deep cameo designation indicates that the coin has a highly reflective, mirror-like surfaces with sharp, frosted details. This is achieved through multiple strike with specially prepared dies, creating a highly desired contrast between the fields and devices. While the 1959 Lincoln cent is not considered rare in general, the PR68 deep cameo grade is highly sought after and relatively rare, with only a small number of examples known to exist. Sold for $5,240.25 with buyer's fee at Great Collections auction. This is 1973 Lincoln cent in mint state 67 plus red condition. The 1973 Lincoln cent is a common coin, which means it was minted in large numbers and can be easily found in circulation or through coin dealers. However, if the coin is in mint state 67 plus condition, it is considered a high grade coin, which can increase its value significantly, especially if it has a full strike without any blemishes or scratches. This amazing cent ended up selling for $3,712.50 at Great Collections auction. Here is attractively toned 1911 penny graded as PR67 brown by PCGS. This is majestic purple fuchsia toned superb gem matte proof. Even without looking at the population data, you can tell that this coin has to be one of the finest, and the pops prove it. The surfaces are essentially without flaw. Visually inspiring violet, blue, magenta, and fuchsia toning is accented by a hint of palest emerald that comes out in a light. The surfaces are smooth and delightfully pristine with deep chocolate brown patina. The eye appeal of this coin is superb. It was sold for $6,756.25 at Legend Rare Coin auctions. And this is 1955 Lincoln cent with double die obverse, the popular guidebook variety. Stark doubling is evident on all letterings of obverse, which can be seen with naked eye. The present coin displays satiny luster and burgundy brown and rose hues with olive green accents. Housed in a first-generation rattler holder, it was sold for $7,200 at Heritage auctions. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button. Take care.